A range slider allows users to grab a handle or rating marker to select a number from a predefined range of numbers. To use a range slider, go to the Advanced Fields panel on the Input Fields tab. Scroll to the Range Slider field. Drag it and drop it where you want it. Go to the Input Customization tab and set your element label. You can also set an admin field label. By setting a default value, you can show a predefined value on the front end when the form is loaded. The user, of course, can change this. You can take help from the drop-down menu. Set a minimum value and a maximum value for your range slider. Place your label. You can go with the default placing at the top. And you can also hide it. Decide whether this field is required or not. You can do further customization like conditional logic in the Advanced Options panel. We have a separate tutorial for this. You will find the link to this in the description box. Don't forget to click the Save Form button on the top right corner. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon.